Hello everyone, my name is WalStreet, and today I got a video request from Blaster 1221. It's a really short video today. We're just going to dive right into this. I honestly do not know what to expect. It's called Henry in the fucking Rain, so I'm assuming it's a reference to Thomas Wayne episode, which is, because at least for me, one of the saddest episodes from my childhood. Made me sad for Henry. Made me hate Top of Hat for a while, which, you know what? Screw it. Don't fucking ask. Anyways, without further ado, let's get right into it. This is not for kids, apparently.
Fucking rain.
Figures. This is an entire goddamn sake.
The rain had been stronger than usual on the island of Sodor. All the engines had to be very careful as the rails were slippery and wet. Parts of the line were flooded, causing the trains to run late.
You sound like Venice, Italy right now.
You suck, said one of them. Piss off, said Thomas. It's not fair, muttered Henry one morning. They should appreciate that we're still running at all. Ungrateful shits, added Gordon. Serves them right for how they treat us, spluttered James. Well, I think it's nice, said Percy. People always look so excited whenever I enter a station now. That's because they think you're a passenger train, grumbled Gordon. Well, yes, but I still like the attention, repeated Percy.
Every female ever, am I right?
Henry hated the rain most of all. The passengers would always look so crossly at him as he pulled into the station. And because the trains weren't running to their usual schedule, they were often packed and heavy. Shit! The coaches would say as their doors finally slammed shut. During the journey, the passengers would complain further. Fuck this, they'd say.
This coach smells like dog shit, shouted one.
Why don't you fucking clean it then?
Chuggington, said another.
Chuggington? How
Henry
do?
was glad when they reached the final station. On his way back, Henry thought he could teach the passengers a lesson. He thought about stopping in a tunnel. But then he'd remembered that he'd already done that once, and
Okay.
if his idol Madonna had taught him anything, that he would be a bad bitch, but also that no one likes a one-trick pony.
Ah.
Oh, I know. That'll show them. As he came closer to the first station, instead of slowing down, Henry started to pick up speed. Slow down, shouted his
Oh my
driver.
God.
Fuck you, tooted Henry. The driver tried to put the brakes on, but Henry was going too fast. His brake block screaming, Henry skidded through the station. Jesus Christ, shouted the passengers as they covered their ears in agony. At last, Henry came to a stop outside the station.
Oh my God.
Like that, you twats, huffed Henry. Well, now you've gone and fucking done it, replied the driver. You've probably ruined your brake blocks. Now these people will have to wait even longer. Henry was pleased. Soon a bus arrived to take the people to the next station. Busbreaker! Shouted Henry. Later that day, the Fat Controller came to the shed to rant and rave at Henry.
Oh my God.
Henry didn't mind, as he had heard it all before, and he knew that the real reason the Fat Controller was angry was because his wife was having an affair with Toby's fireman.
What the
Henry
hell?
closed his eyes as he felt the rain starting to leak through the shed roof. He was soon fast asleep, knowing that while he was sure to be punished for his actions at a later time, at least now he had some nice passenger-free days at the works to look forward to.
I'm gonna say one thing.
What the hell was that ending? Anyways. Hope that was fun. Hope you guys had a good laugh. Have fun in my little commentary. If I was heard clearly or not, who knows. My missing is random these days. But Jesus Christ, that was funny.